Hello students, today's topic is universal indicators. So what are basically indicators? A normal indicator is a substance that tells you whether something is acid or base by changing color, and if it is an olfactory indicator, it will indicate whether something is acid or base by changing smell, isn't it? So the problem with that is that it cannot compare two substances. Okay, so for example, if I take HCl hydrochloric acid and HNO3 nitric acid, and if you take an indicator, let's say litmus, the litmus paper will tell you that both of them are acids. Okay, HCl is also an acid, HNO3 is an acid. The problem is the litmus paper cannot tell you which is a stronger acid and which is the weaker acid. That means with the help of normal indicators, you cannot compare acids or bases. For that, what we have done, we have developed an universal indicator. Now, what is an universal indicator? Universal indicator is a brown colored solution. First thing that you should understand, it's a brown colored solution and it composed of basically 4 compounds. I'll write the names for you. First one is thymol blue. Alright, these are different kind of chemical compounds. Second one is methyl red. Okay, next is bromo comes from bromine, so bromothymol blue, and the last but obviously not the least is phenolphthalein. We have discussed about phenolphthalein in a previous video. So basically a universal indicator composed of all these 4 components, and ultimately it's a brown colored solution. Now what it does, an universal indicator undergoes smooth color change, and based on the change in color you can decide whether something is a stronger acid or weaker acid, isn't it? That smooth color change transitions will ultimately give you a scale that is called the pH scale. Okay, you must have heard this term pH scale. So we'll discuss about this pH scale in the next video, but for now you should understand that universal indicators are used to compare to acidic or to basic substances. Alright, so as I have mentioned, in the next video we shall be discussing about the pH scale.